Theorem 1. Equal chords of a circle subtends equal angles at the center. So let us draw a circle and the two chords. Let these two chords are equal. So chord AB and CD. These two chords are equal and there is a center O. So let us write given let O be the center of the circle. AB and CD are the two chords. These are the two chords which are equal. So two equal chords. Next we have to prove that there are two angles. So let us draw that. Angle AOB and angle COD are two angles subtended by the two chords at the center. So these are the two angles, angle AOB and angle COD. These are subtended from the center. So let us write next. This is given. What we have to prove? We have to prove, required to prove, as these chords are already equal. Now we have to show that this angle AOB and angle COD both are equal. So required to prove is angle AOB is equal or congruent to angle COD. To prove that, let us write proof. Now we will consider these two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. In these two triangles, what are equal? So it is already given that AB and CD, these are two equal chords. So we can write AB is equals to CD. So this is given. Next, these two are given. The distance from center to a point on the circle is called radius. And whenever we take any point, any line, if we draw from center to the outer line of the circle, that will be equal. So this is the radius OA and OD, or OB to OC. So we can write OA is equals to OD. OB is equals to OC. So why? Because these are the radii of the same circle. That's why these are equal. When we are proving that these three sides or three angles are equal, that means these two triangles are congruent. So therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So here we have followed which rule? This is also side, side, side. So side, 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 congruency rule. So we can write congruency rule. Next, when the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. So we can see that angle AOB is equals to angle COD. So therefore angle AOB is congruent or equal to angle COD. Why? Because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Hence proved. When there are two chords and they are subtending some angle from the center, then those angles will also be equal. That means equal chords subtends equal angles.